Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a fall wreath. And these are the supplies I'm using. I'm going to start by breaking down all of my floral picks. I'm just going to clip them off the stem. These white fall leaves and pumpkins I did purchase from the Dollar Tree. All I'm doing here is spreading them out, getting ready to put them on the wreath. I did poke them in, but I'm going to secure them with zip ties. I do slide them in at an angle and zip tie them off. This is where I had wished I'd done the burgundy leaves first, but it's fine. I can work with it. So I'm going to make a bundle here. I'm just staggering and stacking them. I'm going to zip tie that off, and then I'm going to take some floral tape and tape that down. Now I'm going to fluff up the burgundy, and I'm going to place that behind the off-white and white leaves, and I'm going to zip tie that behind the white leaves. As you can see here, I have 4 different bundles basically. 2 of the burgundy and 2 of the off-white and white leaves that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. Now I'm going to zip tie down the other bundle of the burgundy leaves behind the other set of white leaves. Okay, now I'm going to work on my bow. I'm doing a simple hand-tied bow here, starting with the tail up. Now I'm going to pinch it, loop it around. It's about a 6-inch loop. Bring that back around, bring it back to the middle, pinch it again, twist it, and I'm just going to keep going. I want to use up the whole roll of this ribbon, so I am doing 6 loops at 6 inches each. When I get to the last loop, I didn't want to make 7 loops, so I was thinking I was just going to leave the tail extra long. Now I'm going over top with this burgundy and gold. This is a spool of ribbon that my sister-in-law had given me in a bag of goodies that she had, and I'm only going to do 2 loops with this burgundy ribbon. I also did an extra long tail with the burgundy ribbon as well. Now I'm going in with my zip tie. I'm not going to crank it all the way down. I just want to get it started. Before I crank it all the way down, I am going to put a pipe cleaner in that zip tie. This way I have a way of attaching it to the wreath. I really like using the zip tie for the bows. It makes the loops kind of pop up and stand up. Okay, now I'm going to fluff my bow. They also call this breaking the bow. And I'm just going to keep fluffing it until I'm satisfied with my loops. Anyone can make a bow. I encourage you to go to the Dollar Tree, get you some wired ribbon, and just start. All it takes is practice. Now it's time to add the bow to the wreath. And I'm just going in the middle of that break in between the bundles that I have. And I'm going to feed the pipe cleaners through the grapevine until it makes it to the back. And then I'm going to twist tie it off. Once I twist tie it off, I do cut off the excess and push it back down into the grapevine wreath. Now I'm going to fluff up my bow a little bit more, get the tails exactly the way I want them, and I'm going to trim up the tails. I do dovetail every tail. All you do to make a dovetail is fold it over and cut it aslant. Now I'm going to clean up my workstation and hang this wreath. Okay, folks, this is my completed project. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.